subscribe to the channel and also click on the bell icon to get notified whenever I upload a new video. Hey guys, I'm back with another video and today I will show you how to take spectacular pics on your mobile phone easily. So let's get started. Firstly, you need to download an app called Tiny Planet FX Pro. The link will be in the description. So you need to pay a couple of dollars for it, but it's worth it. I'm using this app since a week and it works perfectly fine for me. So as the name suggests, this app turns your photos into a tiny planet. So you just need to get a pic from your gallery and then select your resolution. That's it. The app will do things for you. Then if you want, you can tweak into the same settings to enhance your pic. This is cool and I love to use it. So guys, that's it for this short video and this is me signing off.